We're here. We are in Perranporth. At the moment it's sunny, so let's right, let's go have a cuppa. Nothing's open, guys. Everything's shut. If I do say so myself, I think this is one of the loveliest beaches in Cornwall.
You're watching the ScudoCamper channel on YouTube.
Hello. I've forgotten my teeth again, never mind. We're at an airfield. This was used in World War II. I hope this mic's working alright. They do driving experiences and things like that up here. There's Sammy. And yes, Perranporth Flying Club apparently it's called now. But there's the airfield over there, look. And they've got little Cessnas here as well, which you can see taking off now.
Come on.
I'm coming, mate. God, I don't know. He's so impatient. Look, there's some more planes down there. Look, outside another hangar. I think that's the airstrip there. Yes, it's got a really nice little cafe in there, which we just had a jolly nice bacon sandwich. What's in here then, mate?
It's the club.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Come and have a look.
I'll film. Is it open? Go and have a look then.
There's just a door there, so it's not.
Well, go and have a look. It's open, isn't it? Go and have a look through the window. What's inside? So go and have a look. Come on then, let's go and have a look. Go on then. I'll push him down first. Go on. This is the flying club, is it? Oh, it's got lights on. No, we won't. There might be somebody in there. I think there's somebody in there. It's an underground bunker, look. But they've got their lights on, so somebody's in there. So yeah, Cornish Parachute Club. Look. What else they got? What is that? There's planes over there. Look. And there's is this part of the cafe? I don't know what this is. No, this is for this is for your parachutists to sit in. Look. Yeah, there's the driving experience over there. They do driving here, don't they? Which looks quite good. Anyway, let's go around here and have a look. Look, there's an aerial there for something going down in underneath. Interesting bunker there, though. What you got round here then? There's the old tower thingy, whatever that was. What do you used to call it? Airplane lookout tower thing. Dogs on leads at all times. There's the cafe in there. Like I said, this was used a lot during the Second World War. They had used to have a lot of used to fly a lot of Spitfires and that. Dedicated to the squadrons that flew from this airfield. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, it's Czech there, look. French, Polish. Oh, it's very interesting. And there's an old, I'm guessing that's an old propeller shaft from an old Spitfire. What's that? To commemorate 60 years of the Spitfire, which was designed by R.J. Mitchell in 1936 and flown in action from the RAF Perranporth. Wow, there you go. That's interesting, isn't it? The open day was on June the 15th, 1996. I guess they used to have a flag up there, but it's probably This is windsock up there, look. Yes, it's very blowy up here. It's very blowy, but it's nice. So yeah, that's Perranporth airfield. Definitely give it a visit because it's a really nice nice spot, and they do very nice bacon sandwiches as well. So if you're in the area, give them a look. Right, on to the next place. Anyway, this is Wheel Coats. It's owned by the National Trust. Wheel Coats is a former tin mine situated on the north coast of Cornwall, England, on the cliff tops between Porthtown and St Agnes. These are and have been since 2006 on the list of World Heritage Sites, on par with international treasures like the Great Wall of China. I'm sorry there's no view today, I'm afraid, guys. It's a little bit foggy. Fortunately, most of the holiday has been like this. Foggy. Let's go and have a look over here. Oh look, there's a chimney there, look. Some old ruins here. The mine buildings are over 200 years old. This is the Wim engine house, dating back to 1870, when deep underground mining began. These were preserved in 1986. There are 2 Wim engine houses, which were used to crush ore for processing. Although the earliest records of wheel coats date from 1692, digging for ore at the surface had been taking place here since the Middle Ages. The ruins you see today all date from the last reincarnation of the mine, from 1872 to its final abandonment in 1914. She's been doing some stonework by the looks of it. I guess another little cottage or a building or something there once upon a time. This is Old Wim. It was built in the mid-19th century, while the new Wim was built in the late 19th century. A desperate last-ditch and underfunded attempt was made to work wheel coats in 1910. Their mine now featured new California stamps powered by a gas engine. When the engines were shut down for the last time in 1914, its workforce had only mined 18 tons of black tin. They filled something in there. Some people must have fallen over the edge. Oops. Amazing, isn't it? Hello.
Hi.
Funky little cottage. Oh, I'm assuming it's a cottage. I don't know what these are. I'm wondering if it's some sort of furnace or something. It's a window, fireplace, look. There's something else down there, so we'll go and have a look. Down there, look. The image of the Perranporth shaft engine house, famous on postcards and calendars, is represented for many the beauty of the North Danish coast. Ah, some sort of mine. Wow, that's a long way down, isn't it? down in there. Can you see down in there? Bloody hell, that goes down a long way. Stickers drop a stone down. Oh, blimey. That's deep. That is deep. That's really deep. Wow, look at this. Amazing to think how old this is. The Towinroth Pumping Engine House, 1872, was used to pump water from the adjacent 600-foot Towinroth shaft, which went below sea level. What this is? Ah, that's that bit that went through earlier. That goes through that bit I showed you just then. Ah. I guess this was, I don't know what this was. I've no idea. Fascinating place. At its peak, Cornish mining employed upwards of 30,000 people. In the mid-19th century, the industry began to decline, and in 1875, over 10,000 miners left Cornwall to find work overseas. What a lovely day! Look, blue sky, beautiful. This is the dunes. On the map now, just along the coast from Perranporth, from where we are, and we're heading out to a remains of a disused church. I'm pretty sure it's still, well, the remains are still there. So there's the dunes over there, look. So we've got to make our way through all that, across the dunes, and then onto the sand, where this remains of this chapel is. So let's go. St. Piran's Oratory is possibly an early Christian chapel, located on Penhouse Sands east of Perranporth. It is a compact building with a small nave and chancel, which may have been separated by a wood screen. A stone bench extends around much of the interior, and there are doorways to the south and east. There's nothing here. So that bit down there I showed you just now, I think that's it. It's not up here. Go, there it is. It's there. I'm guessing they put the concrete round it to protect it, but it's not worked, has it? It's not worked, guys. It hasn't worked. So this is the old chapel, what was left of it. I guess I guess that's what the stone's for.
Can you come give us the keys?
Yeah, coming now. And that's it. There it is. One wet chapel. One wet chapel. I'm coming now. What's this concrete thing then? This just looks quite old. This doesn't look that fresh, does it? There's some arch or something there. I get the feeling most of that was buried, don't you? There it is. One soggy chapel. And that's all that's left of it. I don't know what this is here.
No, it's just a random rock.
Yeah, some sort of random concrete thing. Maybe that was something over the top. Oh, there's something here, look. Oh, they found some bones, look. 1910 this was discovered then. Oh, this is what it used to be like there, look. Used to have some sort of concrete structure on it. Ah, so it is St. Piran's
Oratory.
and that's it. It's the nicest week I've had in Cornwall. It's a shame to be going home tomorrow. Never mind. Anyway, thanks for coming, guys. Hope you enjoyed the vid, and see you in the next one.